I'm Heidi Lee. I'm the CEO of Beyond Zero Emissions, and I'm here at the Hunter Innovation Festival for the launch of the Hunter Renewable Energy Industrial Precinct.
A renewable energy precinct will mean a lot for AMP Control. We're already doing a lot in the renewable space, but we also want to understand how we can connect our research and development with emerging technologies so that we can contribute to a green economy.
At Diffuse Energy, we provide small wind turbine technology to help power remote and off-grid sites.
At Geothermal, we make these bricks that store renewable energy as heat.
Energy Renaissance is Australia's first lithium-ion battery manufacturer.
We don't need to produce cement the way we always have. There are better ways of doing it that are much less emissions intensive.
Predominantly, we're focused on the battery electrification of large mining and defence platforms.
Switched In is enabling the transformation of the grid so that we can host more renewable energy.
At the Centre for Organic Electronics here at the University of Newcastle, we're going to be manufacturing printed solar here in the Hunter in about 18 months' time.
Renewable Energy Industrial Precincts opens the door for a huge boom in local manufacturing, and we're ready to get it started.